Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gardening Episodes. Today we are going to talk about microgreens. These are 3 days old red radish microgreens. Microgreens are nothing but vegetables that are harvested right after first two leaves or the cotyledons are arrived. Just look how beautiful this salad is looking. It is very delicious and super healthy. I am going to share the recipe also. But first let's understand how to grow microgreens and from where to get good quality microgreens at discounted price. So watch till the end. Microgreens contains lot of essential nutrients that help body staying fit. We will discuss that in detail in the recipe video, but just understand that microgreens help body in preventing lot of diseases like heart disease, Alzheimer's disease and even some cancers. Also, microgreens can reduce the stress that causes diabetes. So they are highly nutritious, highly beneficial and tasty. Now let's dive into the procedure of growing microgreens. Today I will be unboxing the seed packet that I have received from Hariyali Seeds. The red radish results that we have just seen are from the seeds received by Hariyali Seeds itself. They also ship coco coir sheets along with the package, which acts as a very good growing medium. It makes the entire process very smooth. Now the package I am opening contains immunity booster pack of microgreens, which has garden cress, chia seeds, desi radish, desi carrot, pink radish, and they have also given a complimentary pack of flax seeds to me. If you go to hariyaliseeds.com, you will find a big catalog of microgreen seeds. They have also organized them in different packages specific to use, like microgreens for weight loss, microgreens for better immunity, antioxidant microgreens, anti-cancer microgreens, etc. Use Gardening Episodes 50 to get 50 rupees off on all your purchases above 500. So don't wait and get your microgreens package today. Let's dive into the procedure. I am going to reuse this container that we get our snack items in. And this is the cocoa sheet that we have received in the pack. I am going to plant these red radish seeds. Yes, you guessed it right. The microgreens that we saw in the start of the video is the third day result of what I am showing right now. Let's open the pack and take a look at the seeds. Now the best part about Hariyali Seeds is they sell heirloom seeds. Heirloom seeds are collected by open pollination method. They are not genetically modified, so they are very close to nature and totally organic. If you go to their website hariyaliseeds.com, you will find a manual containing entire information about microgreens and how to grow them using the coco coir sheets that are provided along with the kit. Now I am going to demonstrate exact same procedure that is mentioned in the manual, so you can watch the video till the end and understand the process. I am upcycling this plastic tray for growing our microgreens, and this is the coco coir sheet that they have provided. Now the coco coir sheet needs to be submerged in the water for next 10 minutes so that it is completely soaked. Now I will be putting water inside it in such a way that entire sheet is submerged under the water. The sheet should stay under the water for next 10 minutes so that it is completely soaked in the water. The sheet is completely soaked, and now I am going to take out all the water in a mug. Fill the container with water again. Now this time we have to make sure that only 1/4 part of the sheet is touching the water. We are not going to submerge the sheet completely, only the 1/4 part will be touching the water. Now gently spread the seeds all over the coco coir sheet. Make sure there are no gaps so that you will get even growth. Now the tray is ready. Let's place it in a bright location. Maybe near a window is a good spot. For first 2 to 3 days, cover it with a newspaper. Daily check the water level and maintain the water and moisture level by spraying water on it every day. Hariyali Seeds have made the microgreens growing procedure really simple. With the Cococar sheet and good quality seeds, you get germination very easily. Hope you liked the video and probably you are ordering your microgreens kit from Haryali Seeds right now. Don't forget to use Gardening Episodes 50 to get 50% off on your purchase above 500. Follow Gardening Episodes on Instagram to get your daily dose of gardening. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for amazing gardening content and many such offers. Thank you.